My name is Alex, and today we are going to be replacing a battery laptop. It shouldn't be too hard to do, it's just a couple of screws. I got my fresh new battery already here. I'll put a link in the description of where you can get this exact same battery. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is just remove the pads, because under the pads you will see that there are 2 screws, and then the next thing you want to do is just go ahead and remove all the screws. So let's do that. So you may want to change your battery because you may be noticing that your battery life is trash on your laptop. So changing your battery will help fix that, because it's a new battery. We can just go ahead and leave it. So you want to come in here, just lift up, use your fingers. Ooh, that's not coming out. But in the case where it's not magnetic enough, you want to go ahead and grab a super strong magnet. So that was what I was just about to do. Or you can just go ahead and just leave it loose and continue your day as normal. Anyway, so with all the screws out, you want to lift this way, and because of this cable here. If you lift the other way, you probably tug on the cable. Alright, so this is your battery. Use the same screw, and we're just going to remove, usually there are 4 screws, but in this case I have 3. Okay. Way too long. Grab a small flathead, about that small, to fit into this small rectangle here. So hopefully you can see that rectangle. Basically, we can lift this out place. Basically, insert this right into there, push out. You want to dispose of it correctly. Depends on where you live. Put the new one in. Basically want to do things in reverse. As long as the battery stays in place, that's all good. Now you just want to put this back, like so. And you want to put this tab under this black thing here. So you lift up the back end, push slightly, and then just move it down. It should click. Let's check here. Go ahead and put the screws back. find. So that's basically it on how to replace your battery. I'll show you that works. So basically, just want to get power. Oops, wrong side. See, so you can just go ahead and turn on your machine. That's my login screen, by the way, so go ahead and turn it off. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see if I can find that last screw that I lost. Oh, found it. Thanks so much.